Hey everyone, this is Jeff Blankenship, and this is a quick overview of how to add YouTube content to your Canvas classroom. So to begin, you're going to find the video that you want to add to your Canvas classroom environment, and you're going to go to the Share option just underneath the video. And when you select Share, you'll see that you get a URL code that you can copy. Okay. Also notice that you have the start option. So if you want the video to start at a specific location or a certain time within the video, you can select this checkbox and decide where the video starts whenever the students select a link. Okay. So for now, I'm going to go ahead and choose copy. And then we're going to go ahead and move over to our Canvas classroom. So right here, you'll see I'm in my inside one of my modules, or I'm on my module page, and I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how you can first add this as a direct link to the video within the module, and then how you could add this to a page within your Canvas classroom. So to start, I'm just going to go here to my module. I'm going to click the plus sign for add. And under the add dropdown, you'll see that there's an option for external URL. I'm just going to go ahead and make that selection, put in that link that I just copied from my YouTube video, and go ahead and give it a name. All right, once I've done that, notice that there's a small checkbox right here for load in a new tab. If you choose that option for load in a new tab, what it will do is when the students select the link, it will open the video in a new tab instead of navigating them away from the classroom environment. So I'm going to go ahead and choose this option for load in a new tab and just choose add item. Okay, so you'll see that it's been added here so that when students select this, they'll just be taken to a new tab and the video will begin. All right, so second example, let me go ahead and close these down. All right, I'm gonna go back here to my modules page. And you'll see that I've already created a page right here called YouTube sample. I'm going to go ahead and open that page and go to editing. You can go ahead and type in whatever sort of introduction that you want. And let's say that I want my video to live right here. I'm going to go ahead and choose this icon right here that says insert or edit media. Okay, it looks like a little film strip with a play button. I'm going to go ahead and paste in that link. Okay, it automatically will give dimensions for sizing. You can leave those in place if you want to. If you want to make the video larger for some reason, you can certainly do that just by increasing the dimensions right here. But I'm going to go ahead and select OK. And you'll see that the video is dropped into the page. Okay, so after you do all of that, what you can do is go ahead and save this. I'm going to go ahead and save and publish. Go back to my module. Select my YouTube sample, and you'll see that the kids are brought here to the page that has introduction and my YouTube video. Okay, so that's it. It's not terribly complicated. If you have any questions at all about how to achieve this, please contact your instructional technology specialist and we'll be glad to help. So adding a playlist is a very similar process. The first thing you're going to want to do is go find the playlist that you want to add to your course. So I'm going to go back to my channel. I'm going to go to my playlists. And I'm going to select the playlist that I want to add to my course. So here I have one for Google. I'm going to go ahead and choose the option for View Full Playlist. When I do that, you'll see that my entire playlist for Google is listed. Right here underneath the share icon, you'll see here's the title, description of your playlist, and you'll see there's the little share icon. When I select it, you'll see that it provides a link for me to access the playlist. So I'm just going to go ahead and copy that. And I'm going to go back to my sandbox course, and you can see that I'm in my YouTube videos module right here. And for this example, I'm just going to show you how to link directly to the playlist using a URL. So I'm going to hit plus on my module. Underneath the add option, I'm going to choose the option for external URL. Just paste in that link I copied, and I'm just going to go ahead and call this playlist. All right. I always like to choose that option for load in a new tab so that students aren't navigated away from the course. And I'm just going to go ahead and choose this add item option. Okay. When I do that, you'll see that it creates a link directly to my playlist right here so that when a student clicks it, they're taken directly to that YouTube playlist where they can watch any of my videos. Okay. An alternative method, and I actually like this one better, I think it's a little bit slicker, is to go ahead and choose that share icon for your playlist again, and you'll see this choice for embed. Okay. When I do that, it automatically gives me embed code that I can just use within my course. You can go ahead and you leave this option in place for show player controls, and you don't have to worry about clicking the box for enabling privacy enhanced mode. Just leave the defaults in place and choose copy. And this time I'm going to go back to my course, and you'll see that I've already created a page right here. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and open up my page, and I'm going to choose the edit option. Okay, when I do that, you'll see I'm taken to my rich text editor, but notice right up here in the corner you have the ability to choose an option for HTML editor. So I'm going to go ahead, you can put in some text if you want to. Right, so this will be the first thing they see when they land on your page. And then I'm going to go ahead and switch over to HTML editor, and I'm just going to paste that code that I copied from YouTube directly into my course page, and just choose rich text content editor again. When I do that, you'll see here's my text introduction, here's my embedded YouTube playlist, and students can just choose between the videos in my playlist without ever having to leave the page. Okay, so it's pretty slick. I'm going to go ahead and go down to save and publish. I'm going to go back to my module, and you'll see that when kids go to my YouTube sample, they're taken directly to my page with my text. Here's my playlist. I can play all my videos from beginning to end, or I can navigate from the page. All right, that's it. If you have any questions about this part, be sure to contact your instructional technology specialist, and we'll be glad to lend a hand. Have a great day.